Let me ask you something. Have you ever played one of those mobile pay-to-win games? You know, the ones where everything starts out fine, you're building your base, collecting resources, crushing it in battles, and then boom, you hit a wall. Suddenly, the game starts throwing obstacles at you. Your base isn't big enough, your units aren't strong enough, and if you want to progress, you either grind for hours or pay up. Sound familiar? Now, let me ask you, how do those games make you feel? Frustrated? Cheated? Like the game is working against you rather than for you? That's because the interaction design is emotionally manipulative. Instead of creating a positive, engaging experience, it's focused on squeezing as much money out of you as possible. And here's the connection. Just like a poorly designed pay-to-win game can ruin your gaming experience, poorly designed AI interactions can ruin user trust and satisfaction. In this slide, we're diving into how interaction shapes experience, specifically in explainable AI, xAI. The emotional and cognitive aspects of how users engage with AI systems are just as important as the technical capabilities of the system itself. It's not enough for AI to be accurate, it also has to feel intuitive, empowering, and trustworthy. Let's start with the basics. Interaction as experience isn't just about what users do, it's about how they feel. When users engage with an AI system, they form perceptions about its reliability, clarity, and intent. Is the system helpful or confusing? Does it feel like a teammate or a roadblock? These emotional and cognitive reactions shape their overall experience. Remember those mobile games that promised you the world, but then delivered roadblocks? Managing expectations is everything. With xAI, it's about setting the right expectations from the start. Users need to know what the system can and can't do. If an AI overpromises and underdelivers, like failing to explain a key decision, it creates frustration and distrust. But when expectations are realistic and explanations are clear, users feel supported and satisfied. Here's where it gets really interesting. Did you know that users' emotional responses during interactions significantly impact their satisfaction levels? A positive interaction, where explanations are clear, actionable, and empathetic, fosters trust and engagement. But a negative experience, confusing interfaces, vague explanations, or a sense of being manipulated, leads to skepticism and disengagement. Research shows that managing these emotional responses is crucial for improving satisfaction and trust in AI systems. Whether it's a mobile game or an AI system, interaction design defines the experience. A well-designed xUI, explainable user interface, creates a sense of collaboration where users feel empowered and in control. On the other hand, poor interaction design leaves users feeling frustrated and disconnected. In xAI, this difference is critical because trust and satisfaction are the foundation of successful human-AI collaboration. Here's the bottom line. Interaction is about more than just functionality. It's about experience. By understanding user expectations and managing emotional responses, xUIs can create interactions that are not just effective, but also satisfying. Next, we'll explore how different design choices impact static and interactive xUIs. Let's dive